Going on, guys? This is Blocks. I hope you're all doing great today. I'm going to show you how to make something really quick and really simple. It's going to be epic. I'm going to be showing you how to activate a GUI when you step on a part. So it's really simple. Just a line of script. It's super simple. And as well, if it helps you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. We're almost at 6,000 subscribers. And as well, only 6% of you are subscribed. Let's make that 10. Let's go for it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is simply put the part. So we're just going to insert a part, and we're going to anchor this part. You don't have to do so, but it just so it doesn't move. So it's pretty simple. Next up, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over and add a local script. Okay, let me just add it. It doesn't have to be here. Okay, let's just add a local script. I'm just going to put it there, and I'm going to say local part equals script, well, game dot workspace dot part. Okay, so I don't think we renamed that part. No, it's still named part, so we just say part. Make a couple of spaces, pretty simple. And now we're gonna say part dot touch to double dot connect function, and we're going to do like this and simply hit enter, and that's it. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go over and add a screen GUI, and as well add a frame, and let's just say this is a frame. We just make it something like that. It's gonna be really ugly right now. Let's just make it something like this, you know, so something a bit less ugly, because we still want this to look pretty appealing. Okay, so we're going to go over and put this to 0, and I don't know, let's just let it like this for now. That's the frame you want to activate. Okay, we're gonna go over and put this like this, and we're gonna go over here and say script dot parent dot screen GUI dot frame dot visible equals true, and that's literally it. So whenever we touch this part right now, we should be able to see the frame, which is epic, to be honest. Really good start for beginners to start learning and to start creating your own games and little basic stuff. Yeah, it always starts small. Boom, it works, and after you can become an awesome scripter. So if you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to leave a comment if it didn't work, or if you have a question as well. The simulator tutorial is coming. It's just taking me so much time to edit that 2-hour video clip. Yeah, it's pretty much it. This is Blocks Devs, and I'm now out.